If you're thinking about buying Tailwind for social media management, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Tailwind is a popular choice for scheduling and analytics, but how does it compare to other tools like Buffer or Hootsuite? Let's break it down. First things first, Tailwind is well known for its specialization in Pinterest and Instagram. If you're managing a lot of content for these platforms, you'll appreciate its easy to use scheduling and analytics tools. Unlike general platforms like Buffer, Tailwind has a deep focus on these specific social networks, making it a great choice if your business thrives on visual content. Next, Tailwind's Smart Loop feature is a real standout. It allows you to automatically reshare your best performing pins and posts. This feature is particularly useful for keeping your content fresh without manually reposting everything. Other tools like Hootsuite don't offer this level of automation for visual content. The third thing you need to consider is Tailwind's Tribes. This is an exclusive community feature where you can share content and collaborate with others in your niche. Tribes make it easier to get your content in front of more people who are likely to engage with it. This is something Buffer or Hootsuite don't quite match, so if you're looking for community-driven growth, Tailwind has an edge. The fourth thing to know is the cost structure. While Tailwind's pricing is competitive, especially for Pinterest, it's on the higher end if you're only using it for Instagram. Many competitors offer all-in-one plans, but Tailwind requires you to pay extra for access to some features like analytics or team collaboration. Next up, Tailwind's analytics are one of its biggest strengths. If you care about metrics, Tailwind provides detailed insights into how your posts are performing. The visual analytics dashboard is clear and easy to understand, which is more user-friendly compared to something like Hootsuite's slightly more complex reporting. Another feature you might want to know about is its browser extension. With Tailwind's Chrome extension, scheduling posts from your browser is a breeze. It's perfect for pinning directly from websites and Instagram feeds. While Buffer and Hootsuite have browser extensions too, Tailwind's is particularly streamlined for visual content creators. The next thing to know is about the Tailwind Smart Schedule. This feature determines the best times to post based on when your audience is most engaged. It's a great time saver and ensures your posts get maximum visibility, much like the auto-scheduling features of Hootsuite, but more tailored to your audience's behavior. Tailwind also offers a unique visual planning tool. The Content Calendar feature allows you to drag and drop posts, giving you a bird's-eye view of your content strategy. It's particularly helpful for those of you who are running a content-heavy social media account. Competitors like Buffer have planning tools, but nothing with the same level of design flexibility. Now, if you're managing multiple accounts, Tailwind does have a team collaboration feature. But this can get a bit expensive, especially if you're managing more than a couple of accounts. This is something Buffer does better in terms of cost effectiveness for small teams. Another downside of Tailwind is that it lacks a built-in social inbox. While you can schedule posts and see analytics, you won't get the same level of interaction management that you would from Hootsuite or Buffer. If direct messaging and engagement are critical to your workflow, you might need an additional tool to complement Tailwind. The next thing worth mentioning is Tailwind's mobile app. It's not as polished as some of its competitors. While it does get the job done, the interface can feel a bit clunky compared to the sleek mobile apps of Buffer and Hootsuite. If you do a lot of on-the-go scheduling, that's something to keep in mind. Finally, Tailwind does offer a 30-day free trial, which is great if you want to try before committing. But remember, once the trial is over, the pricing can feel steep, especially if you're only focusing on one platform. In conclusion, Tailwind is a fantastic tool for Pinterest and Instagram, with some excellent automation features and community-driven growth. But if you're looking for a more well-rounded, all-in-one social media management tool, there are alternatives like Buffer or Hootsuite that offer more features at a similar price point. If you want to explore another solution, check out our recommended option, which you can try for free.